Properly assembling your pump is essential for ensuring that it is operated safely and efficiently and produces the quality results expected from a professional painter. In this video, we are going to teach you how to unbox and assemble the Elcometer Riga V25 vertical bellows pump and how to assemble the Sagola Mini Xtreme Mix spray gun. For this process you will need 2 solvent resistant adjustable wrenches, a 4mm ball joint hex key and a set of side cutters. Stage 1. Unboxing the Riga. The Elcometer Riga spray pump kit is supplied in 2 boxes, the pump, hoses and filters in one box and Elcometer's Sagola spray gun in the second. To unpack the Riga pump, lay the box on its back. Undo the top of the box. This can be worked out by the image on the box. Take out all of the components and interior packaging. Pull the handle of the pump out and dispose of all packaging in an environmentally approved way as required, or use the box as a clean surface on which to assemble the pump. The assembling process can now begin. Stage 2. Assembling the Riga. Once unpacked, lay out and identify all the main components of the pump to ensure they are all there. Refer to the key component identifying page in the Riga operating instruction manual. Then, visually inspect all items. Take care to inspect the Bluefoot filter cage and all threads and fittings on the product and air hose assembly for any damage caused during transportation or storage. So now that we've inspected each individual item for damage or wear, remove the protection cap located on the front of the pump. Test oil may begin to flow out, but don't be alarmed. This oil is simply there to protect the interior components of the pump from corrosion during storage and transit. Once the storage and test oil have drained out, visually inspect the pump intake to ensure the threads are not damaged. Now, grab the Bluefoot filter and attach it to the end of the product intake hose. And fix the product intake hose to the pump cylinder. Then, tighten using the adjustable spanner. Now we need to check that the anti-pulsation system and secondary product filter have not become loose and are free of debris. Carefully loosen the orange anti-pulsation chamber located on the front of the pump by turning the nut anti-clockwise. Remove the chamber. Check that the filter is located properly and then replace the chamber, hand tightening by rotating clockwise. Now, connect the product recirculation ball valve and tube to the anti-pulsation system. Finally, grab the combined air and product hose and attach them to the pump. The air hose attaches using a simple push fitting located on the gun air regulator, while the product hose connects to the front of the anti-pulsation system. Stage 3. Assembling the Sagola Mini Xtreme Mix spray gun. Now it's time to assemble the Sagola Mini Xtreme Mix spray gun. In the box there will be a leaflet containing a QR code. Scan this QR code to go directly to the instructions manual. Once you have read the instructions, fit the stainless steel high pressure fluid pipe by aligning the connector, hand tightening the tube, placing the spacer on the body of the gun and tightening with the 4mm ball joint hex key. Place your spray gun fluid filter into the housing and secure it on the gun. Attach the spray tip to the cap. Now, tighten all the fittings. Take note of the working pressure and the type of gun that you are using. If you are using a higher pressure pump, be sure to place the red spring into the spray fan regulator. If you are using a lower pressure pump, use the yellow spring. In this case, we will be using the red spring. Now connect the air supply to the gun. Measure the appropriate amount of product hose and cut to size. Attach this to the gun also. The pump is now fully assembled. Make sure to tighten any fittings before you proceed any further. If you would like to learn how to flush and prime the Elcometer Riga V25, click on the link on screen. If you would like to learn more about our range of pumps and guns, visit our dedicated website at spray.elcometer.com, and please do not forget to subscribe.